Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete and shift up the cell on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now how to delete and shift up the cell in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show. For an example, here I have a 4 different cells. I just type something like that. So I just want to delete the cell 2 and also want to shift every cells to upward, which will delete the particular cell. For an example, cell 2 will be deleted and also the remaining cell will be shift up. It will be, this cells will be shift up to this place. So click on the cell that you just want to delete and shift up, and it's on the home section. Just scroll down to the bottom section. You can find option called insert and delete. Click on this and just scroll to the bottom section. Here you can find option called delete and shift up. You can see, you can find this option here, delete and shift up. You just need to click on this, which will delete the cell and also shift the remaining cells to the upward direction. For an example, here I'm just going to select this 3 cell. I just want to delete it, and remaining U should be shift up to the 22 position of the cell. So click on the insert and delete option, scroll down and just want to select the delete and shift up option, which you can see the cells deleted and also the remaining cell has been shifted upward. So this is how you just use this option on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.